Hey, I'm Marco from TradeEngine, and in this video I will show you how to combine two different trading indicators to really improve your algorithmic trading results. So I will show you that, of course, using TradeEngine. I will show you how easy it is to do. We'll use two different trading strategies and we'll combine them. The one is based on the intersection of moving averages. It's a well-known strategy, and we'll combine that with a signal called the RSI for the relative strength index, also a very well-known signal. And we combine these two and see how we can improve an existing algorithm by combining trading indicators. So right now, we'll just go over to my computer and I will show you how to implement this strategy inside TradeEngine. All right, so we are here on my computer, and that are my strategies that I had in my account on TradeEngine. So again, if you are just new to this, that's the first video you watch on this channel, make sure to actually check our other tutorials to really see how to create an account and also how to create a strategy. So I created one here called RSI Combined Test, and I will just go into it and then I will show you actually what the strategy will use. So this for now is a basic strategy that uses a crossover between two moving averages to determine if we will trade or not. So here I will be using LTC versus USDT as the currency that I want to trade, but you could use also, don't have to use crypto, you use this algorithm on stocks, on forex, or whatever you want to trade. Here I define my indicators. So here I will have my short moving average, I will have my long moving average. I'm using exponential one for the short one, and the normal moving average for the long one. And this part here is my algorithm. So basically what I do is I check if those two moving averages, the short one and the long one, with more samples here, when do they actually cross, right? So I calculate this difference here. And basically here, when they actually cross each other, right, depending if one is going above the other or under the other, I buy or I sell, right? If after it's positive and before it was negative, the difference, I sell. And on the other case, I actually buy this currency LTC USDT. And I already back tested this strategy for you. So that's the result here. As you can see, I have a profit factor of 1.2, which is a little bit low. I like to have higher profit factors on my trading strategies. So this is my gain here. In TradeEngine, all strategies start by default with 10,000 in the base unit, here 10,000 USDT. So that would be my profit over this whole period of time, so about 2 years. So let's see if we can improve that using two trading indicators instead of just basically one, right? Just those simple and exponential moving averages. So for that, I will introduce here what's called the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. That is automatically calculated as well by TradeEngine when you declare it as an indicator. So I will just use this indicator here. By default, it's a 14 days Relative Strength Index, but you could change that as well inside TradeEngine. So here, what I have is I take the value of the RSI, and now I will combine those two indicators, right? My first indicator is kind of when those averages basically cross, right? That was my first indicator. I use that to trade, to sell, or to buy here. So now let's combine that with the RSI. So I will just change my code over there. All right, so now I just modified it, and what I added is a confirmation basically of this trading signal with the RSI. So if it's under 35 here, that will actually confirm that I want to actually sell. And if it's above 65, that would be a confirmation that I want to buy. So here we just, some pieces of code added to this strategy here. We just really combine two signals to make the trading decisions. So let's see if that actually improves anything. So let's go over there again, save the strategy. And now I will just run the backtest again. All right, so we have the results of our backtest, and you can see that This nearly tripled the profit, much better profit factor and hit ratio. Of course, the number of trades decreased, right? Because as we combine those two indicators, we are basically asking for some confirmation by the other indicator. So therefore, we actually reduce the number of trades that we do per year, but we really improve our profits and the other indicators. So that was really an example on how easy it is to combine two indicators inside TradeEngine to actually have better algorithmic trading performances. So just as a side note here, you can actually find this strategy in our templates. So you can just click on Explore Templates from the main strategy panel on TradeEngine, and you will find this strategy along with an ever-expanding list of other strategies that you can copy into your account with just one click. Alright, so this is already the end of this video. I really hope that what you learned in the video will help you improve your algorithmic trading results using this strategy where we combine two indicators. So as I mentioned in the video, you can just create a free account on TradeEngine and really just in one click copy the strategy into your account and use it not only for cryptos, like I showed you in the video, but also for stocks or forex if that's what you want to trade. Of course, if you have any questions or comments about TradeEngine or about trading in general, don't hesitate to leave them below the video. That being said, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.